Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step on how to add music to Canva website in 2026 so you can enhance your designs with audio easily and quickly. Make sure you follow the instructions till the end. To add music to your Canva, either presentation or your video, you can simply click the apps button here. It is located on the left sidebar of your screen and search for music. Hit enter and you would be able to access either the AI music, the music maker, Gen Music, or whichever one you have or you want. Let's say I would be using an AI music. I would be clicking on the AI music and open it. Now I just have to fill in the details right here, and as well as, let's say, retro, relax, slow, loose, and submit or create it. And there are now musics that I can easily add to my presentation. I will click on add to design, and there we go. After clicking the add to design, I can now listen to my music, or I have now added a music to my presentation. And that's it. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.